Wow, she said sunshine. I emptied out my entire wardrobe. Doesn't this scream fashion Instagram? But that probably counts as vandalism, so I didn't do that. That grilled smoked cheese though. What a tune. Where I've actually been is... Hello my loves, I'm back, it's me. I hope you've all had a lovely week so far. I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back today. It's actually Wednesday right now, so apologies first of all if this vlog is a little bit shorter than normal. Second thing I'm going to address is the elephant in the room. I've had a cold sore over the past week. Where I've actually been is ill, in my house, at home. All week. I haven't actually filmed since last Monday and it's now Wednesday. It's been over a week since I filmed. It feels so weird. But yeah, I'm back. I'm feeling a bit better for the first time today. I had a cold sore come up last Wednesday and that's always how I know when I feel run down. Although I haven't had a cold sore for years. Let me know in the comments down below if you suffer with them. I used to really bad. It used to be a stress induced thing, but to be honest this time I think it was just because my body was run down. So I've had a little break from filming. Not from uploading though. Luckily I had some videos pre-filmed, so hopefully you've not missed me too much. Yeah, so we're on day 7 now of the cold sore and they tend to last about 10 days on me, so we're at the end of it finally. It's Wednesday afternoon and I've got some really cute things to show you. First is this. Hello. I haven't got a duvet cover on right now because it has been washed today, so it's currently drying, but she's absolutely loving the fluffiness of the duvet. So while I've been away, very exciting news, my manager had her baby. Her little baby is almost 2 weeks old now. Time is going so quickly. But yeah, Siobhan birthed a human, brought a human into the world. Congratulations, my love. It's genuinely been such an exciting, love-filled couple of weeks. Siobhan is the only person in my life, apart from my mum and dad, that I speak to every single day. Obviously now she's had a baby, she's a little bit busy and she has had some maternity leave. But yeah, on a manager level, on a friend level, I just absolutely adore her. So I've been putting together a little hamper. I held off on buying these things because Siobhan didn't find out the gender of the baby until she was born. So I did get one thing for Siobhan and her husband Toby, which was like the practical present. I had it sent straight to their house. It was one of those nappy bins where they're from Tommy Tippy. I can't believe I'm talking about a nappy bin on my channel, but here we are. If anyone's a parent or if you follow Mrs. Hinch, this is where I first saw it. It's basically a nappy bin where you put the nappy in, you press it down and it spins it round and it like keeps the smell in, and it makes like what I would describe as sausages of nappies. So that's the first thing I got for her. Not the most glamorous present, but now I've got together a few bits for little Coco. What a cute name, honestly cannot even deal. So I thought I'd show you what I got, because if you've got anyone expecting a baby anytime soon, these are really nice things to get. So first up, I've got a couple of bits from My First Years. Really lovely website. I've always wanted to buy from there, but I've never really had a reason to. So the first thing I've got is a little towel dressing gown that says Coco on it. How cute! I absolutely love it. It's even got little ears, and I got this in size 6 to 12 months. I ordered these next day as well, so even though it was embroidered and they're personalised, it came super quick. I was very impressed with that. The other thing I got from My First Years is this little rabbit. How cute is that? This is such a nice little keepsake to put on a shelf in little Coco's bedroom or something. Then I wanted to get some clothes because I love baby clothes so much. I just think the cutest thing. So the first thing I got, this is one of my favourites, is this tiny little baby grow. Then I got a couple of practical baby grows. They've got little frills on. Then, oh, I think this is adorable. I don't know if Siobhan's gonna like this, to be honest, but I thought it was really cute and it feels lovely. So I've got this little 2-piece set, little beige set, and it's got some little bows on it. And then the last couple of things I got in size 3 to 6 months. So the first is this little set. Oh my gosh, this is just adorable. I love the yellow, love the little bows, and I think this is going to be like the kind of style I imagine Coco will be dressed in. This is probably my favourite. I think this is going to be Siobhan's favourite as well. Stop it. It's got the same little frill on this. I think this is a t-shirt though, rather than a baby grow. I think this is called a little romper. And obviously it looks like denim, but it's super soft, and I love the little frills around it and then the back. Oh my gosh, so cute, I cannot even deal. When I have a baby, this is how I would dress it. Little things like this melt my heart so much. By the way, I'd just like to point out that I have washed my hands before I'm wrapping up all these things. I know it's a scary time in the world, and these are things for a little baby. Of course Siobhan will wash them once she gets them as well, but I'm very paranoid about that, so my hands are clean, very clean in fact. I've got 0 fake tan on right now.
Oh my sweet baby,
So guys, I've just finished. I think they look so cute. I put little ribbons on all of them. Top tip when you're wrapping, you know this ribbon that you put around, if you put a different colour in, some of them I've even put 3 or 4, it makes it look so much nicer. This is absolutely nothing to be proud of, what is in my life, but look what I've got out. So this keyboard I'm selling, figured out the reason why it had been sat in my office for so long is because I'd lost the plug. I swear I had it downstairs and I was like, yeah, it's definitely in the wire cupboard. It wasn't, so I had to order another plug for it and it arrived today from Amazon and it works. I'm so glad I got the right plug because now I can sell it and it's complete and it works and everything. It even comes with the stool. Not that I'm selling it on here, it's probably sold by the time this has gone up. Wishful thinking, manifesting it. But I truly cannot remember anything about playing the keyboard and I played it for about 3 years, so glad my mum and dad spent the money on that. Apologies. But does anyone remember when you were in school and you would play the automatic songs? What a tune! Wow, she said sunshine. She said I can't see. Good morning everyone. Today is Thursday. I'm feeling better again today, which is good. And guys, I've got some good news. The manifesting worked because I put the keyboard on Facebook last night and someone's come to pick it up today. Smashed it. I'm so happy to get it out of my house, honestly. It's just one of those things that takes up so much room and every time I look at it, it angers me. It's still in here at the minute, but obviously I'm going to take it outside for when the guy comes to pick it up because he can't come in with gaff. But it's all ready to go. Also, another exciting thing that arrived while I was gone is the big mirror of dreams, the one that I missed on the eBay auction. You guys seem to really enjoy me getting angry at losing an eBay bid. I did laugh watching that back as well, I'm not gonna lie. But I decided just to buy the mirror in the end from the website. It's here. Let me get it out and show you actually. So the mirror lives here at the min, behind the door. I've put a little bit of blue tack on the bottom of it so it doesn't like damage it, and it is okay. Like, it only sticks out a little bit beyond my wardrobe, but I literally have nowhere else to put it because I'm going to use it here for my pictures, and the plan was to slide it down the side of the wardrobe. I emptied out my entire wardrobe. I threw loads of things away as well. I did want to film it, but I did it when I wasn't very well, so I didn't film it in the end. But I've literally got like so much more organised with it all. Got all my bags in here. Look how satisfying that looks. And I've only kept stuff that I actually will use. Okay, this drawer's a little bit random. We've got gym wear, we've got Sunny's fancy dress, we've got my old merch, and this is just like various stuff for different videos. So green screen, some fake tattoo sleeves, a wig. As you do, normal job. But anyway, like I was saying, the plan was to empty out my wardrobe and then move it a little bit, like probably up 5 centimetres that way. But I did the whole thing, and then down here behind this suitcase there's a plug and it's like cut out of the wardrobe, so I couldn't move it. It was so annoying, but at least I like sorted it all out. I do kind of wish I filmed it, but like I said, it wasn't very well when I did it. So the mirror can't live down the side there, so instead it lives here until I find a better solution, which maybe never, but it's chill. And then I'm just going to move it out. Give me 2 seconds. Ta-da! So this is where I'm moving it to. It's a bit of a struggle to move it, I'm not going to lie. It's very heavy. I have to kind of pivot it. I can't even slide it along the carpet. I have to literally like wobble it around. But yeah, this is where it's going for my Instagram pictures. Please excuse Sunny in the back. I've got some white pampas grass arriving for this little vase in the corner. And then in the background of the pictures, please excuse my socks. Wow, fashion. Doesn't this scream fashion Instagram? So then the background will hopefully look something a little bit like this. I'm so pleased with this stall, honestly. I think it looks so fab. And it's nice and simple, but it's still homely. It's still all about the outfit. I might actually take my first outfit picture today in the new mirror. I'm really excited about this, guys. Can you tell? I haven't felt excited about something new for a really long time, but I've loved putting all this together while I've not been well. I'll leave links to everything in the description down below, but this mirror is from a brand called Melody Mason. Mason? I can see you. What are you doing in there? Hello. This vase is from the range. It's about 20 quid. It's a really nice size. I've got some pampas grass arriving off of Etsy. Don't think that'll be here for a while though. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's nice pampas grass. Please tell me why pampas grass is so expensive. Oh my goodness, I wish I could just go around to my neighbours and cut off some of their big grassy things. It's not pampas grass, but it looks like it. But that probably counts as vandalism, so I didn't do that. I think I bought 5 stems of white pampas. Keep your fingers crossed for me, honestly, I don't know if it's going to look nice. And then this in the background, this rug I've had for ages from the range. The stall actually lives there, as you can see, but I've just moved it in the background. This stall was from, God, where was this from? A homeware store called Beautify. I thought it was a bit of a random name for a homeware store, but it was quite expensive. It was £70, but the quality is so nice. I cannot stress that enough. You can see it's got a whole lot of storage in there. It's actually for like a dressing table, so you'd sit and do your makeup on this. And lots of people in the reviews, because I read the reviews so thoroughly to make sure I wasn't wasting £70, lots of people said they keep their straighteners or their hairdryer in here, and it is so big. There is such a lot of room in there. And then I got this little concrete tray off Etsy. That was quite spenny as well. I think it's about £30, but it's super heavy. It looks really nice, and I liked this one because it's quite thick. Lots of them that I saw literally just looked like a normal plate, and I was like, babes, you could get that from IKEA. And then I've got a delivery arriving from Dunelm. This plant isn't staying here, that's from my bedroom, but it's very similar to what I've ordered. I've ordered some more eucalyptus, fake obviously, and a light grey vase, and then a little tea light holder for here. I think I'll leave that candle there, so it'll be like a little trio in the background, and I think it'll look really lovely in the back of my pictures. I'm definitely going to take one today just to test it out, really. Test out the mirror, like as if it's not going to work. Let me know if you think I need to change anything or adjust anything, or if it's missing anything. I don't want too much going on though. Oh, I also got these from an artificial flower company. I'll leave them linked in the description down below, but I had the pampas grass from Pretty Little Thing. I don't love the colour of it anymore, like it doesn't match the vibe for my Instagram, but I do like it here with the natural vibes. Yeah, I already had everything that looks fluffy. I just needed some stuff in the middle of it, so I ordered some chocolate brown roses and this little, I have no idea what this is called, little fillers, and I think it looks really cute now. It looks way more finished. This little package arrived from Saint Tropez yesterday. Look at this, guys. So Ashley Graham is their new ambassador, and they sent over the Bronzing Water Face Mist. I love this. It's so handy for topping up your tan on your face. And then we've got food. I think these are like little cake pops. I'm going to go and try it. It's about 12 o'clock, so it's nearly lunchtime. Let's have a little starter for lunch today. It's chocolate. Oh, that is yummy. Oh, it fell off. Thank you for my little cakes. Oh, spin to win. Let's see if they're going to win today. The most exciting part of my day. Guys, how lucky is this? Literally just as I was about to take an outfit picture of this outfit for Instagram, my order from Dunelm arrived. So my little background is complete. How cute is this? So this is the vase and the tea light holder that I got, and the eucalyptus stem, obviously. I need to try and like arrange that a bit better though. Oh, it's making a weird noise in the vase and making my skin crawl. You know, like nails on a chalkboard, that's what it's doing. But that stem was only £2. I got 2 of them and they are super long when they arrive, so I just cut it down and put it in there. But I think that looks super cute together in the background. How lovely would this little decor look on a coffee table as well? I think this is a really lovely arrangement, so I'll leave links to all of these things in the description down below. Look at me tapping like it's my extended finger. Anyway, gonna take some Instas now. Happy Thursday. It feels good to be back on my game. Although saying that, I've been very unmotivated all day. It's now 4 o'clock and I'm just getting around to doing this. Lockdown life in lockdown 3. It's hitting me hard, my friends. Motivation out the window. Just had a very good phone call. My dad has actually had the vaccine today. He got called in for a cancellation because he actually got a shielding letter way back in March because of the heart operation he had last January. He kind of got bumped up the list for having the vaccine, so that is such a relief. And I've just posted about this on Instagram because this isn't really something I've spoken about a lot, but since last March when all of this started, my main worry has been about my parents, not about me. I'm not bothered if I get the virus. Like, I know I would probably be lucky enough to feel a bit rough and get over it. But parents are a lot more of a worry, especially when my dad was so ill. And I just love my family so much that I would hate for them to suffer. And that's pretty much what has kept me awake at night since this all began. So I'm so glad that he's had his first vaccine. Obviously, he's got to have the next one in a few weeks' time. And then when he was there, they actually said that they're getting through people really quickly in my area. So my mum could have the vaccine way sooner than we thought. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed. I feel like it's going to be such a relief once they've both had the vaccine. I'm not going to lie, at first I was really not sure about the vaccine. I was like, how could they have produced this so quickly and it be safe? Remember in GCSE science when we all learned about that vaccine that caused thalidomide? Was that what it was called? Thamilinide? I said it right, I swear. Anyway, that's what was on my mind. And also, they didn't even know if it affected fertility at first. It turns out the vaccine doesn't affect fertility. I saw that on telly last week. So yeah, at first I was a bit like, how can they just like pump this into us all? I'm not an anti-vaxxer, but I was just worried about how this was going to affect people in the long run when they hadn't really, I thought, done a lot of research. I'm not an expert. Turns out they did do a lot of research, and turns out there were a lot of people that had it before we knew about it. So yeah, once I knew that and I saw the percentage of how protected you are against the virus, or at least being hospitalised from the virus once you've had it, I was all for it. So now I just can't wait for my mum to have had the vaccine as well. And a lot of you watching this are probably thinking, but what about your grandparents? Like, are they alright? But I've just posted this on Instagram as well, and I actually don't have any grandparents left, and I feel, I don't want to use the word lucky because obviously that is not lucky. I wish they were still here, but I do feel a bit of a relief that they haven't suffered through this virus. Like, they were never aware of coronavirus. But yeah, that kind of meant that my mum and dad were top of my worry list, so we're getting there. I just wanted to say that. Very grateful that the first vaccine in the family has been had. Woo! Turned into the vaccine fan club. You coming? Come on then. Hi. I popped to Tesco this morning because my mum wanted a few bits for dinner. And look at this mug that I got. How cute is this? It was like £4, which I think is quite expensive for a mug. Am I just cheap? I don't know. I think that's quite expensive. But I love the old Winnie the Pooh. The film Christopher Robin is one of my favourites. So when I saw this, I was like, do you know what? I've got to have it. Anyway, I'm going to make my lunch now. Sonny, do you want your lunch? Where are you? Where's that puppy? Got little eyes and the nose. Hello. I'm also going to make my lunch. So for lunch today, I'm going to have a chorizo and smoked cheese panini. This is my absolute favourite right now. Oh, I need to put these noodles in the fridge. Whoopsie daisy. I had one job. But yeah, chorizo and smoked cheese together in a panini. Chef's kiss. Oh my god, that grilled smoked cheese though, delish. One of my favourite parts about this job is actually being a health guru. So that's it from me this week, guys. Like I said, I'm really sorry this vlog's been shorter than normal, but I'm glad I'm feeling better now and that I at least managed to film half my week. If you watched it through this vlog, I want to say a big thank you, because I know it wasn't the most interesting one, but literally I've got to that point in lockdown where absolutely nothing is happening. I appreciate you watching this vlog anyway. I hope you have a lovely Sunday. Do subscribe to see my future videos, and I'll see you again very soon for another little video. Bye guys, love ya.